Found a mega box today at the Urbandale Super Target. I was there yesterday and looked like they'd recently stocked, but they showed up today and stocked again sometime or in between the two. Anyway, 10 cards per pack, 4 packs per box. Find 2 autographs per box on average. Ultra rare short printed rookies, exclusive extra point autograph orange parallels. And then there's your code for digital. Getting hot out there again, so I gotta go to work and I'm tired. Getting up early. I was trying to find some Topps Chrome baseball, but that didn't happen. So I don't know what's going on. Alright, has a box or a sleeve, box inside a sleeve there. So, and that's it. Not a whole lot there, but sit them down in front of you there. I'm not talking this because, like I said, I'm tired. I'm going to go to work today and just be a vegetable. But I'll watch some videos of you guys ripping cards all day long. So, or listen to you at least. Probably won't get to see them all, but you get a peek every now and then. Beats radio, hearing the same song day after day, time after time. All the commercials wear on you, so. Anyway. Devin White, Lane Johnson. Oh, I feel autograph. Tommy Stevens. Alright. Matt Breida. Ooh, that's numbered 8 out of 75. Like a gold. Man, I need an amp. Yeah, I wish I would have walked away with some chrome today, and then I felt like it was worth it. But I was very happy to come across these. That's a nice one, isn't it? Old Patrick Mahomes. Cesar Ruiz, C.D. Lamb, Yeah, I want to come home and play video games, but play and sort with my cards, but it'll be nap time tonight, so I might get out and run around a little bit tomorrow, because see if maybe they stocked them in between when I left. And I went to Walmart twice. Went there like 8 o'clock, saw the gal walking around. Figured she's gonna stock up on toilet paper again, or get some new hair coloring to be incognito, but she finally walked by and talked to one of the guys and said she didn't feel like it or whatever, and that she'd be back tomorrow because she's busy. She just wanted to come tease us all. Derrick Henry, 27 out of 50. Ooh, there's a good one. Jared Allen. That was a surprise. I wouldn't have expected that. I didn't expect it, that's for sure. Not Jared Allen, anyway. Figured a current player. So that's kind of cool. Steven Montez. Joe Burrow. Kyle Duggar. that Joe Burrow wasn't the autograph. I know that would have been a good one. Alright, let's get these other 2 packs open so I can maybe close my eyes. Maybe not take a nap, but at least I'm not driving other than to work and home, so as long as I make the point A and B safely. I usually go out for a cruise in my car at lunch, but it might just take me a little nap. Juju Smith-Schuster, Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry. Didn't help that I stayed up till, what was it, 4 in the morning, playing Battlefield. And then getting up about 7:30 in the morning and hurrying up and getting my butt out the door to Walmart. Jarrett Stidham. So that must be my 2 autographs. Ooh, it's numbered to 25. 25 of 25. Orange. Sweet! I believe that's probably a good one. Hunter Henry. Well, now I want to go get on eBay and just kind of see a ballpark estimate on that one. But I don't want to let it go, but who knows, man. Zach Morris, Moss. I'm thinking my car needs some work done on it. Otherwise, I'll be walking back and forth to Target and Walmart, and that would suck. Trevon Diggs. Is that it? Last pack. One more pack here. Alright. I'm assuming we got everything, but who knows? Maybe there's a hot box or... They want to give me a Patrick Mahomes insert. Another jersey to my collection. I'm sure use an autograph, but another jersey would be fine. Don't feel like there's anything in there. Taysom Hill, Darius Smith, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Jason Pierre-Paul, Lynn Bowden Jr. So I'm probably not holding. I'm not even looking at the camera really. Sorry about that, everybody. And we got the orange here though, Colin Johnson, 18 out of 50. That's nice. That matches his Texas uniform, kind of. Alright. That's Colin Johnson there. Deshaun Watson. Damon Arnett. Joshua DeBarra. Jalen Reeder. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a good day. And I'll see you down at Walmart or Target, probably.